Hi, my name is Joel Faubert. My Carlton U number is 101176475, and this is my demo for my Yahtzee client server project for COMP5104 assignment 1. So first, here's my repo at github/phobes/comp5104-Yahtzee. A quick view of my history. Let's see here, commits. Yeah, you can see I've tried as best as possible to follow test-driven development. Took a little while to get a hang of it, and I'd say that it was most difficult when trying to tie the networking and game logic together. But I think there's another view here. And apparently 50 commits. There we go. You can see there's been quite a few commits over the last 2 weeks. Okay, so now if you'll take a look here, you'll see my Google Cloud Platform dashboard with several virtual machines up and running. This one is a cheap machine which will run the server, and these two are even cheaper machines and they'll serve as our clients. So I'm just opening up the terminal windows here, bear with me, and the server. Okay, so first I need to update these since I made some changes since last time, so I will git pull from my repo, and same here. Sorry for the clicking noise throughout. I'm sure that's going to be annoying. Okay, and now I will go into the root of the project here and run package to build the latest version. And I'll do the same on the server here just in case. Already up to date. Okay, so let's make sure this is built as well. Okay, so you can see now, and the clients both have run all the tests, 61 tests with no failures. Just wait for, okay, that's done too. So first you go into the target and run the Yahtzee with dependencies with the -s flag to start a server, which by default goes to port 3333, and then the clients similarly we'll need the IP of that machine, of course. There we go. A little awkward working with these terminals and console in the browsers. Okay, so that's one client connected. I'll do the same here. And just provide the IP address because the default port is an optional argument. Okay, so we see the server has got 2 connections. Let's also connect from my terminal here. Okay, there. And now, okay, so it's not only just a Yahtzee server, but also has some standard chat room type functionality. You can change your name, Joe Local. You can type who to get the list of who's on the server. So we'll give the other clients some names too. This can be named client 1, and this guy can be named client 2. And any of the players can start a game, and it randomly chose for client 1 to go. So here we go, you press enter to roll. You're given some options If you try 4, it does nothing, but you can still talk. Oh, I forgot to mention, yes, I also added broadcasting so you can respond. Okay, and so then let's see here. Well, for the two virtual machines, I'll just play very quickly. We'll score the category, say 3, since there are no 3s, and we'll expect to get 0s. And sure enough, client 0, as you can see, got 3s. Okay, now it's client 2. Okay, he's got a couple 4s. We'll just put those in. Okay, and now it's back to here where the score sheet displays properly because the column count's different. Okay. All right, now we can show a little bit more carefully. Let's see here. We can select the dice to hold. We'll shoot for 2s. We'll keep 3, 4, 5. No, I did that wrong. Okay, well, we're close to straight here. Let's re-roll the first one. We'll keep everything but the first one. 3, 4, 5. And we got it. We got a full straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, all right. So we can put that into 11. And that's a handy 40 points. And we go now on to client 1. The game is fairly robust to user error. Other players who are not active can talk, but they can't really do anything else. But they can display and they can talk. I'll quickly go through the game with these two clients so we can get to the end here. And I'll be a little more deliberate with the other one, so we can show off a few more functionalities. So, okay, so we can re-roll everything here with option 2. Or as I demonstrated earlier, you can select some to re-roll, but it won't let you hold dice 7, for example. That doesn't work. You also can't, you know. All right, apparently that was allowed. Fine. So it held them all. Okay. And then let's see here. We can score here. If we put it in the 1s, we should get a score of 2. There we go. Okay, let's just a few more things, a few more functionalities. Well, bonuses are going to be a little tricky to show off, but they do work. So 0 to 2 rolls, you've already seen that, and scoring 0 in a category, you've already seen that as well. So I'll just kind of fast forward here to show you the end game. Yeah, actually, why don't I pause the video here, and I'll come back to you when we're near the end of the game. All right, so I'm back now, and it's Local Joe's 12th round. You'll see that, for example, I didn't manage to get, oh no, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong score sheet here. Okay, here's Joe Local. It's his turn, so he's on top. I managed to get a full house. I managed to get 4 of a kind, and a large straight, and a small straight, so I've been pretty lucky this turn, but I didn't get very good for the top section, so no bonus. And yeah, let's complete this. I'll show you the win screen. We'll go for a Yahtzee, might as well. We haven't zeroed that yet, so I want to keep 2, 3, and 5. No, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, let's try that again, keeping 2, 4, and 5. Oh, so close. Okay, so 3 now. For example, we've already scored in 1, so if I try that, it'll tell me no. And now if I score in 5s, I don't have any 5s, so that's a 0, right? Yeah. Okay, one more round. These two I haven't really been playing seriously, just trying to get through this. What's left? I think just Yahtzee. And you too. And it'll be 0. Okay, last turn. Let's try for a real one here. We'll keep 1, 4, and 5. No good. 1, 4, and 5. Nope. And then we'll put that, yeah, in the last category, remaining 13. And that should complete the game. There we go. Client 1 apparently won. That seems incorrect. So there's a bug reporting the winner, because very clearly 188 is bigger than 28. But okay, there you go, and you can start a new game now if you were so inclined, or stop it at any point and say goodbye. So I hope that demonstrates most of the features, mostly full functionality, including the Yahtzee bonuses and so on, and the top section bonus. But there's still work to do, especially for disconnection and apparent bugs at the end game. Thanks for watching.